What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today we're going to learn how to play Baby by Justin Bieber on the good old uke. As always, with every ukulele tutorial that I upload here on YouTube, I will include a skip to section right here where you can go to the chords, the chord progression, or the strumming. If you don't want to sit through an entire 10-minute video, I totally get it. But if you do, I would love you forever, literally. You're my best friend. But again, skip to section will be your best friend if you don't want to see me talk for 10 minutes. Also, one thing I do want to note is I will be uploading the full play along video for this song, which basically consists of me singing and strumming the entire song, all with the lyrics and chords on the screen. So it's a super easy play along for you. So once you watch this video, make sure to come back to this channel. It usually, the play along video is uploaded the day after. So once you master Baby on the uke, you can come back, play along with me, sing along with me, duet with me, do all the things, and we can play together. So again, that will be uploaded the next day. If you're watching this in the future, I'll leave it in the top of the links, also the link in the description. Everything important is in the description. Also, the full lyrics and chords are also in the description. So that's my gift to you. You can copy and paste it, keep it for yourself, do what you do with the dang thing, and let's go ahead and learn the chords that we need for this song. So this song is fairly simple in that it only has 4 chords, and those chords are A minor, C, F, and last but not least, G. So if you're like, Ricky, I know all those chords, let's move on to the chord progression or the strumming. Again, meet your best friend forever. This is the skip to section, meet you. You guys are gonna be best friends, and make sure to skip to whatever section in the video that you want to skip to. Again, it's all gonna be here. But if you're like, Ricky, I literally just started playing a week ago, yesterday, an hour ago, please help me. I don't know these chords. Don't worry, this is why this video exists. We're gonna go step by step on where to put our fingers on the uke for each chord, and then we'll talk about chord progression, and then we'll talk about strumming. So if you want to learn how to play each chord, then simply just keep on watching. All right, so let's talk chords. As always, I will include a visual representation right here. I feel like it's a lot easier when you can visually see where to put your fingers, and then also have me talk you through it. So with that being said, let's talk about the first chord that we need, which is the A minor chord. And how we're gonna play this one is you're gonna take your middle finger, and you're gonna place your middle finger on the 4th string, which again, that's the top string, 4th string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the C chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your ring finger, and you're going to place your ring finger on the 1st string, which again, that's the bottom string, 1st string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the F chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger, and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger, and you're going to place it on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. And the last chord that we need for this song is the G chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger, and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger, and you're going to place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your ring finger, and you're going to place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. So those are all the chords that you need for this song. As always, if you do need a little bit of extra time, make sure to press the pause button, rewind, go through the chords again, make sure that you have your fingers and the positioning for your fingers in the right places, make sure that they are crisp and clear, and once you have that down, press play, and now let's talk about the chord progression that we're going to use throughout the song coming up next. Alright, so we just learned the chords. Now let's learn about the chord progression for this song that we're going to use throughout. It's actually really easy because it's the same throughout. So as soon as you get this down, you basically have the entire song down. So it's going to go C, A minor, F, and then G. So again, let's do that one more time. It's going to be C, A minor, F, and then G. So that is the entire chord progression for this song. So as soon as you memorize that, you literally have the entire song down on the uke. So now that we know the chord progression, let's talk about the strumming that we're going to use for this song coming up next. All right, so we learned the chords, we learned the chord progression. Now let's talk about how we're going to play this song with the strumming. I'm going to teach you 3 different ways. They're all going to level by sort of experience. So the first way is going to be for the true beginner, or if somebody is just not interested in strumming, it's just going to be a strum down. So again, if you're like, Ricky, I don't even want to deal with strumming down for the entire song will be just awesome. So again, the entire chord sheet will be linked in this, or will be in the description, so you can copy and paste it and keep it for yourself. So as soon as you see a chord change, you're gonna strum down. So it's like, you know you love me, I know you care, you shout whenever, and I'll be there. Da, 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 da. So that part, you just strum down and it'll sound just as awesome, and it's super simple. But if you're like, Ricky, I need a little bit of more of a challenge, we'll do the strumming pattern. So the strumming pattern, I'm going to start off with C. It's going to be down, down, up, up, down, up. So let's do that one more time. In 3, 2, 1, down, down, up, up, down, up. So you're gonna do that strumming pattern down, down, up, down, up twice for every chord. So it's gonna go C, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, A, up, down, down, up, down, up, F, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, G, down, down, up, down, up. So again, you're gonna do that strumming pattern twice for every chord, and as soon as you see a change, you change obviously the chord and just start over that strumming pattern again. But if you're like, Ricky, I need a little bit more spice into my strumming, please show me a little bit more spiciness. I got you. So we're gonna do that strumming pattern again, but we're gonna add a chuck to it. So we're gonna add this, we're gonna play with the C chord again. So it's gonna go down, chuck, up, chuck, up. So let's do that one more time. In 3, 2, 1, down, chuck, up, chuck, up. So if you're like, Ricky, what is a chuck? That looks real spicy. I'm sweaty because it is so spicy tamale. What is that, chuck? Basically what you're gonna be doing, let's go up and close and personal. You're gonna be strumming all the strings and then muting all strings with the sort of meaty portion of your hand. This part, it's just gonna hit down. So you're gonna strum, hit down. So obviously, you wanna do it quicker. So as soon as you do that, so again, strum down and then palm it. So you want to mute the strings as soon as you strum all the way down. So when you do it quicker, so it kind of gives that sound, but then you're just like, nope, shh, be quiet. So those are all 3 different ways that you can play this song. Again, it's just going to be the down strum, the first way. The next way is going to be the down, down, up, down, up. And the last way is going to be the down, chuck, up, chuck, up. So we talked about the chords, the chord progression, and the 3 different ways you can play this song. So congratulations, you now know how to play Baby by J Biebs, aka Justin Bieber, aka Justin Bebe, on the good old uke. If you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time your boy uploads another video. It's gonna be fire. Yeah. Also, make sure to leave a comment below letting me know your song recommendations for future songs, covers, tutorials, whatever videos in the comments below. What else? If you do want this uke, it is the Balnna ukulele. This one is sort of a rainbowy color. It's absolutely amazing. It has sort of an abalone shiny finish around the uke of the body. Absolutely amazing, really cool. I also love the coloring on the neck. Absolutely stunning, and it is glossy, so you guys know if you've been around this channel for a while, I'm a sucker for gloss. So this one is definitely real shiny. You can see the light. Look at that. So if you want to be uke twins with me, make sure to check the link in the description below for the Amazon page where I actually bought this as well. I believe you can get it in concert and soprano. The last time I checked, it was sold out for the soprano, but I think the concert one that I have now is still available. But again, go check that out for yourself. If you want to be uke twins with me, we can be uke twins. We can, like, you know, think alike, share things through telepathy. Is that what they do? I don't know. I don't have a twin. I wish I did, but I don't. I wasn't blessed with one. But again, if you want this beautiful rainbowy looking glossy amazing uke, link in description. And also follow me on Instagram. It's just at Ricky Somborn. We've reached 56,000 Instagram family members. And I'd love for you to join if you haven't already. Send me a DM letting me know what video you came from. Also, send me any questions you have, concerns, songs, whatever you wanted to let me know. Let's get to know each other either through DMs on Instagram or in the comments section below. I always love to read every single comment and respond, because if you're gonna leave a comment, I might as well respond, because that's like the nice thing to do, right? We're not douchebags here. We are grade A nice guys. I was gonna say nice guys, but whatever. We're ukulele enthusiasts, I guess. But I don't know what I'm talking about. But anyways, thank you so much for hanging out with me for these 10-15 minutes. I truly do love our time together, these 10-15 minutes. It's really cool just learning new music, relaxing, and just vibing on those really cool JB vibes. So if you did like this video, give it a big old thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye. I don't know what the bye was, but bye.